You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will bring you this cryptocurrency video. Right now, Bitcoin is trading at 21.4k. I talk about market moving up, and if you see a breakout, then we're going to do something right here. I'm going to talk about this also in today's video. And on the 4-hour chart, I said you should enter the market here, and your first target should be at 21k. If you take that trade, congratulations, market move in this predicted direction. And also on ETH, I said you take a trade around this area, and your first target should be this very level of resistance. If you take that trade as well, congratulations. What are we looking at today as markets is at this very point on ETH and also on BTC at this very area? All of these and more in today's video. Watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, Remit Trade, please help subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification, and also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. On the BTC USDT 1-day chart, I said if the market move to the upside and break out on this level of resistance right at this point, and then we're going to see the market move up to 23k. That is what I'm expecting market to go right now. That means I'm expecting market to push up to this very area of resistance, or this of resistance right here. So I'm expecting market to still move into this very area on the longer term, guys. This is 1-day chart, you remember that. So I'm expecting this market to still, continue to the upside based on this analysis. So I'm still expecting this move, this bullish move to the upside on the 1-day chart. And if there is any change in sentiment as we see the market move up, I'll also let you know in any of the technical analysis video. And right here on the 4-hour chart, if you look at it, yesterday, if you check this very video on the channel, this very trade signal, okay, this very video, I talk about you taking a position right at this point, okay, when market was at this area, and that market is going to move to the upside. You see, market did move to the upside, and I said the target should be at this level of 21k. First target, it was very specific. First target at this level, market move, and right now market is here. So at this point where the market is right now, it's not the right time to buy. Don't buy the market at this very point. If you buy here right now, you are taking the very wrong decision. So I am expecting retracement from this level of 21,500 to where the market is right now. We are going to see the market move down in form of a retracement to the downside, probably approach this level of resistance at this very point, okay? So I'm expecting this market to move back down on the immediate short term on the 4-hour chart. Don't take a buy here, rather wait for the market to retrace, because retracement is going to come in from this level of 21,500 to where the market is right now, okay? That is what you should be paying attention to right now, retracement. And on the 4-hour chart ETH, I also talk about the same thing, and I said market is going to move up and your first target should be this level of resistance. If you take that trade, congratulations, market actually moved to our predicted direction and also hit the first target. Right now, don't expect the market to move up again. Market is going to retrace, and even though we see a little bit of move to the upside, that move must be a fake move. So expect retracement from this area of spike, that is 1,682, from this area to where the market is right now. I am expecting retracement on ETH to the downside, okay? So we're going to pay attention to the market moving to the downside from this very area. Don't take a buy position where the market is right now. It is very risky for you to buy at this very area, even though market tries to move to the upside. So this is what I am paying attention to right now. Retracement on the 4-hour chart on ETH, retracement on the 4-hour chart on BTC, and for the 1-day chart, I'm expecting the market to still move to the upside on BTC. What do you think about the market on BTC? Do you think we're going to approach this 23,000, or we're going to from here come back to this level of support. Comment below in the comment section of this video. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. If you want to enroll for the Remit Trade Intensive Cryptocurrency course and mentorship program and learn how to do simple technical analysis for profitable trading, check the description of this video. You see a contact. Reach out to us at Remit immediately for mentorship. And if you've not registered on Binance, OKX, $600 on Bybit, check the link in the description of this video as well, and you do your registration and get those bonuses. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.